Hello and welcome to Garb Studio. In this video, I am going to show you how to zoom video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So, without further ado, let's get started. I have already added a video clip to the timeline that requires a zoom in effect. To initiate this, select the video clip and navigate to the Effect Controls panel, where you will notice a small timeline next to the Settings panel. Move the playhead on this timeline to the desired starting point for the zoom-in effect. Within the Effect Controls panel, you will find a stopwatch icon next to each setting. Click on the stopwatch icons next to the scale and position settings to add the starting keyframes. Then, move the playhead to the desired endpoint of the zoom-in effect. Increase the scale value to zoom in on the selected point as per your expectation. Additionally, adjust the position by modifying the position values accordingly. This will ensure that the zoom-in effect and the positioning changes smoothly. As you make these adjustments, the software will automatically create second keyframes for the animation. Let's play and preview the effect. When the playhead reaches the first keyframe, the zoom-in effect will begin. As the playhead reaches the second keyframe, the zoom will be completed. Now, let's hold the zoom for a while before zooming back out. To do this, move the playhead to the desired point where you want to start zooming back out. Then, click on the little circle next to the scale and position settings to add a third keyframes. Finally, move the playhead to the point where you want the video to return to its original size. Clicking on the reset parameter icon will reset the scale and position values to their original values and automatically create the next keyframes for the unzooming effect. Now, if we play the video clip, you will notice that it starts zooming in from the first keyframe until it reaches the second keyframe. It then holds the zoom until the third keyframe, where it starts zooming out until it reaches the fourth keyframe. To make the zoom effect more smoother, we can apply easing. Begin by dragging the selection to choose the first two keyframes. Then, right-click on one of the selected keyframes and choose Ease In from the menu. Next, drag the selection to select the last two keyframes. Right-click on one of the selected keyframes and select Ease Out. This will apply easing to the zoom, resulting in a smoother transition between keyframes. Let's play and preview the effect, and you will observe that it looks smoother and more professional now. If you wish to speed up the zoom, drag the second keyframe closer to the first one. Conversely, if you want to slow down the zoom, drag the second keyframe further away from the first one. The same principle applies to the zoom out effect. You can adjust the speed by dragging the fourth keyframe closer or further away from the third keyframe. By making these adjustments, you can control the timing and pace of the zoom in and zoom out for optimal visual impact. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and informative.